Let me ask you something quietly. Have you ever felt light, even though nothing around you changed? No pressure, no fear, just a deep breath and relief. What if I tell you, English has a word that captures that exact feeling? Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi subhanallahil azim. Welcome to Shaheda English Paradise. I am your teacher Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 4 of our 60-day English vocabulary confident journey. Here, you don't memorize words, you feel them, use them, and own them. In today's lesson, you will learn one powerful English word. And at the end of this lesson, you will receive a small reward. Real native style English sentences showing how this word is used naturally in daily conversations. So stay with me until the end. Today's word is free. Repeat after me. Free. Say again. Free. Now you say it. Did you try? Very good. Free doesn't only mean something costs no money. You can be free from fear, free from pressure, free to choose, free to be yourself. When you say free, English listeners don't hear grammar, they hear relief. This is not just a challenge. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a vocabulary assessment. Those who participate will receive a vocabulary fluency certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio description or comments, depending on the platform you're using. For learners who want deeper practice, I have also created a 15-day private vocabulary program, short focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website. It's for learners who want structured guidance and faster progress. And if you prefer personal guidance, you can book private lessons through my website. Countless students have already changed their lives with this method. Now here is a reward. Let's see how native speakers naturally use free. I feel free when I speak honestly. She is finally free from stress. This course is free for everyone. Notice something important? We say free from something and free to do something. That's it. One word, but now it carries meaning. Now this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using free, then write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Your voice builds your confidence. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream English course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 4. Tomorrow, day 5, we will explore more daily life vocabulary. Follow the journey, stay consistent. Your journey to confident English continues.